Indian white egret is one of the most beautiful and graceful birds found in India. We commonly see near rivers, ponds, lakes, wetlands, and even in agricultural fields. With its pure white feathers, long legs, and sharp beak, the egret looks very calm, but it is actually a smart and active hunter. Indian white egrets mainly feed on insects, small fish, frogs, worms, and tiny aquatic animals. When they walk slowly through water or fields, they carefully watch their prey and catch it quickly. By eating insects and pests, egrets help farmers in a natural way. They reduce harmful insects without the use of chemicals, which makes them very important for eco-friendly farming. These birds also play a major role in maintaining the food chain. They keep the population of insects and small aquatic animals under control. At the same time, egrets themselves become food for larger birds and animals. This balance helps the ecosystem stay healthy and stable.